they are. But directly ahead of us, where they close the gates to get up here on the foothills, that is a surveillance camera. That, my friends, is a surveillance camera. And they are all along the Foothills Parkway. I haven't been up on the Cheerhalis Skyway recently. I have a feeling they're going to be up there also. Something to do with national parks. I asked a buddy of mine who's in federal law enforcement, and he didn't know about what was going on up here. But he too isn't happy about all the flock cameras everywhere. But hey, that's it for me. I'm out of here. That's my rant about flock cameras. You know, all I say is go to your local government and complain. These surveillance cameras need to go away before we lose our Fourth Amendment rights. So I'm out. Later.